Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you can follow me in my online investments. Today I'm gonna go do a short video about our own service that you can join. I will show you some results so far, and then I will give you an offer you can't refuse. So watch this video. Okay, and welcome. Before I will show you this amazing offer that you can't refuse, I will just go through the numbers real quick. So I will head over here to my FX book, and as you can see, at the moment we are 28.7% up since we started in January this year. We are on our way to 50% on a yearly basis. Remember that. So approximately 3% every month. Okay, and now to the amazing offer that I wouldn't not taking this offer, if you know what I mean. So let me head over to another slide and show you. Okay, so if you didn't know, we have a service where we trade on the Forex market with a robot. We have named our robot SafeFxPro, as we focus on low risk and safe trading. Risk management is the key to succeed on the Forex market. So that is what we do. And you can join our service from $300 and up. And now we have an offer for everyone that joins before the end of September. So the offer is, if you join, we will let you have this service risk-free for 3 months. Okay, what does it mean? So that means if you put in $1,000 and after 3 months you have lost money, we will pay you back your loss. So you will have the $1,000 after 3 months. We are so certain on our service that we can give you this guarantee, so to say. And if you want to join and want to take part of this offer, just look in the description of this video. You have links to how to get started and links if you want to contact me. Okay, that's all for today, but don't miss this offer. It's gonna be, you can't get any better offer, okay? Bye.